Here is my clean eating grocery haul. I have good quality meat and hard cheeses I like to buy. I feel like my body digests these the best. And then we have tilapia. We're gonna make some fish tacos tonight with some yummy mango salsa. And we've got dates, 2 things of them. These are super delicious for a little treat and a snack. We have coconut milk, bananas, organic power greens kale medley, organic baby spinach. We like to cook those up or put them in green smoothies or add them to vegetable breakfast dishes. There's cucumbers, coleslaw, that's going to be going in the tilapia fish tacos. Red onions, lemons, organic romaine hearts, excuse me. We have frozen berries and frozen mangoes. Those are the most affordable option right now. And then gala apples, fresh mint. We also have some yams and organic limes. We have some tomatoes and asparagus and green apples. Those are great for snacks. Sugar snap peas, potatoes, Brussels sprouts. Those are really great roasted with pure maple syrup and balsamic vinegar. Organic carrots, shredded carrots. Those would be great for salads. More bananas, radishes, broccoli. Here's a vegetable medley with cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. So here we are. Clean eating grocery haul for the week. And I went to Smith's. Super delicious food. I love to have everything on hand to have it for when I cook from home, which is most of the time. There's great snacks. It's just delicious. If you have any questions, go to my website, and I'd love to have you be one of my clients. I'm a health coach. Go to beckyforhealth.com.